Now, in a hotel, you've got your lights on the ceiling, you've got your backup lights, you've got the fire alarm, lots and lots of things to think about. But what if there was a one-stop solution for all of those things? You can declutter and, of course, sleep safe in a hotel. Well, here we are with Sleep Safety Systems with Bob Ward. Bob, tell us a bit about what you guys are doing here.
Okay, this is a system basically to declutter the ceilings to make rooms more attractive. You can have combinations of having water mist, CCTV cameras, music systems. You can also have the emergency lighting all built in, so it literally declutters the ceiling. The end result is you can effectively relax at night time knowing that the building that you're in is never going to burn down.
Which is always a nice thing to know. You can sleep in peace. Now, is this quite an easy thing to actually install? Because obviously, you know, when you're building a hotel or updating infrastructure within the, you know, fire safety industry, it can be a huge task.
These are designed to be both retro installed and also installed from scratch. So it's easier, obviously, to be able to build it as the building goes up. But when we get to the stage of maybe later on in the year, we'll have retro kits for people as well.
Now, there is a bit of a demonstration that you can show us. If we wander round behind the scenes, we can actually see one of these sleep-safe systems in action.
So if I just turn it down slightly so you can get to see them. Okay, so you've got CCTV cameras, music systems work on Bluetooth. The major part, which is water mist, that's what's going to keep you safe at night time. Smoke detection or heat detection, that's a plain light. You would have more of those than anything else. But the idea is that if you lose the power, instantly it will transfer straight over to being emergency lighting. So you'll still be able to see your way out.
That's brilliant, and it's so subtle in the design. You know, it's not an eyesore, or it's not, you know, some horrible big bolt-on that you have hanging off your ceiling. It's very, very subtle. I'm slightly scared about how subtle this CCTV camera is as well. So I'm going to be checking out which hotels you've been installing those in.
Well, no, that's really for dads in their daughters' bedrooms.
Dear, I'm not sure about that.
They're all devices that you can actually plug in and expand. So it's almost like Lego. You can expand it.
A brilliant solution. And you've actually got two jobs here. You've got two hats on today. It's not just the sleep safe system, but also Cloud 15, which is just over here. Now, we've got a senior policeman there. Are we going to have a chat with Ross?
Yeah, no. Ross,
we can carry on talking.
There you go.
So this is how we're going to demonstrate what Cloud 15 have been doing.
Mostly, most risk assessors end up going around with a notepad and pen and a camera. So what we've done is combine that onto a tablet PC. So the aim is that you place a flag where there's an issue, and then you select what's wrong, and then you can then literally add that there's an issue. So it's very simple. I built this because I'm dyslexic, so it's less things for you to actually write, and then you can then take a picture of what's wrong. So if we do that, done, in, and then that's then built in there. Give it a severity, and then it's there in the room.
So this is brilliant basically for a company that perhaps has, you know, again, a hotel chain or a huge number of rooms. It's one simple solution where you can log and track all the progress of everything.
It's exactly that. You do room by room, building by building. Once that's synchronized online, it then goes up to the website, and it's the same system we use for LOCOG for 2012 games. All of our venues were on this system, so you could be able to work out what was right, what was wrong.
Well, time is money, and any solution that is going to save you time and make things a lot more straightforward, I can imagine, is very, very valuable.
It is. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you so much, and make sure you get down here, have a chat with these guys. Do you know what stand number you are?
D32.
D32. There we go. Well, have a great FIREX, and thanks very much.